In the heart of a lively jungle, a group of animal friends decided to form a band. There was Benny the Bear on drums, Lilly the Leopard on the guitar, and Timmy the Toucan as the singer. They practiced every day.
All right, everyone, let's start with the new song we've been working on.
I'm ready! This is going to be our best performance yet.
Did you hear that? What was that noise? It sounded like it came from over there, near the big tree.
Let's check it out. Maybe it's something cool.
Hi, guys. Sorry if I disturbed your practice. I was just trying to play along with your music, but all I have is this little acorn drum.
We could use a new sound in our band. How about you play with us?
Really? That would be awesome.
The day of the Jungle Festival arrives, and the band performs in front of all the jungle animals. Their music is a hit, and everyone is dancing and cheering. The day of the Jungle Festival arrives, and the band performs in front of all the jungle animals. Their music is a hit, and everyone is dancing and cheering. As they finish their last song, Timmy the Toucan turns to the crowd.
Before we go, I've got a riddle for all of you. What has keys but can't open locks?
Oh, I know! It's a piano!
And so, the Jungle Band learned that everyone has something special to offer, no matter how small. They also discovered that the best music is made when friends play together. And remember, it's always fun to solve a riddle or two along the way.